So welcome back. I hope you tried to solve this exercise on your own, and now we are going to simply see how it can be done in C programming language. So first of all, we are not talking about how it can be done using variables, because that's something that we didn't speak about in this course until now, until the next section probably. So here, if you know how to use variables, that's okay, but that's not the point of this exercise. Here we are simply going to use just one printing line and print the values and print the actual year of birth to the screen. So this year of birth can be calculated very easily. First of all, what we need to know is what's the current year. So for example, it may be, I don't know, 2021 or 2025. I don't know in which year you see this exercise. And also what we have to do is to know your current age. So if it's, for example, 20 or 30, I don't know. So once we know both of these values, we can calculate the year of birth just by taking current year and subtracting age from it. So let's write some code to simply print this line. So printf, the year you were born, or yeah, the year you were born is, and use here a placeholder, %d, since we are going to use just integer values. And this %d should be replaced with what? With the current year, let's say 2021, minus the age, let's say 20, okay? A semicolon at the end to specify that we've done with this command. So instead of this %d, we will have the calculated value out of this expression, so it's going to be probably be 2021. 2001, sorry for that. So the year you were born is 2001. And if your age is, I don't know, 30, okay, so you simply run it once again and you will get 1991. So that's a simple exercise to how you can find the year of birth based on the current year and, of course, the age, either it's your age or somebody else. So thank you guys. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget, of course, to leave some review, to leave some feedback, so that this way I will know if you like the exercises or not. Of course, that's just the basics, and we are going to get much more complex exercises as we move on with this course. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then.